Simple lang naman ang aking pangarap, ang tayo.
How was your last camp?
Exciting and extreme full of fun activities.
Ang na may makita kang nakangiti, ang makapiling ka sa bawat sandali.
How was your last camp?
Kapagod yung camp pero all worth it talaga. Super!
Lahat haharapin, lahat ay kakayanin. Lilipad ako para lang sa'yo. Lilipad ako sa dulo.
We had hard times but it's exciting and fun.
To'y para lang sa'yo.
How was your last camp?
Masaya, speed,
Hero. Lahat
How was your last camp?
It was great, memorable, and fun.
Di mangangamba basta't ikaw ang nasa puso ko.
Camp is a blessed for you.
Ako ay maliit, ikaw ay tutulungan kahit buhay.
extremely super blessed.
Lahat ay gagawin, lahat ay susuungin. Lahat haharapin, lahat ay kakayanin. Lilipad ako para lang sa'yo.
That was awesome.
Ang lahat ng to'y para lang sa'yo. Dahil ang totoo, ikaw ang aking
Well, my last camp sa Camp Calye 2013, unforgettable, grabe experience. Sobrang extreme, exciting, sali na kayo. Camp Calye 2013!
Camp Calye 2013.
Camp Calye 2013. Where young heroes are made. Lipad!
Where young heroes are made. Lipad!
Where young heroes are made.
Camp Calye 2013, where young heroes are made. Lipad!
Camp Calye 2013, where young heroes are made. Lipad!
Lipad!
Come and join us, Camp Calye 2013, Lipad!
Join us and register at the lobby, come on!
ay lumipad.
Join us now and register at the lobby!
Kailangan na may makita kang nakangiti, ang makapiling ka sa bawat sandali. Lahat ay gagawin, lahat ay susuot.